Hidden deep within the Dino Institute, past quaint displays and dusty artifacts, in a once secret underground research facility, lies the most incredible machine ever engineered, the CTX Time Rover. Shifted in a drive and thrilled to heart-pounding acceleration. But the most amazing thing about this baby, it goes 65 million years in reverse. DINOSAUR! Travel back to the end of the Cretaceous period to bring back an iguanodon. But be warned, a monstrous Carnotaurus has a lock on your scent. And one other thing. Everything on Earth is about to become extinct. DINOSAUR!